Hey everybody, it's Jordan here. I'm going to be talking today about alcohol and how it responds in the brain. Now, this is a really common question I get about drinking possibly being different than other drugs. Now, for the majority of drugs that you're thinking about, they operate on dopamine. And now dopamine is a programming drug that tells your brain what is important. Maybe, if you eat, your brain produces dopamine. If you have sex, it produces dopamine. If you exercise, it produces dopamine. If you take methamphetamines or cocaine, it produces dopamine. Alcohol works on a different receptor site. So inhibitory neurotransmitters called GABA are active throughout the brain. Now, these neurotransmitters act to control neurological activity in the brain pathway. When GABA binds to the receptor site, it's less likely to fire. Now, the receptor site is the piece on the other end of your brain. So you have the inhibitory neurotransmitters, the receptor site, and the synapse. When you hear the term synapse, just think of the gap in between. Now, meanwhile, in the other part of your brain, another neurotransmitter called glutamate acts as the brain's general purpose excitatory neurotransmitter. Now, when you drink alcohol, and this is any type of alcohol that works for beer, hard liquor, I know people separate them, but they're all the same neurologically. When it enters the brain, it delivers a double sedative punch. First, it interacts with the GABA receptor to make it even more of an inhibitor, right? Now, the other piece that starts to happen when alcohol enters the brain is it binds to the glutamate receptor, preventing glutamate from exciting the cells. Now, I'm sure anybody out there who's drank before knows some of the symptoms of this. Alcohol in particular causes particular effects in areas of the brain involved in memory formation, decision-making, and impulse control. So for a lot of people, they have high-risk sexual interactions, high-risk violent interactions, behavioral problems, missing work, all sorts of different events that can occur from that. At a physical level now, so this is the neurological level. At the physical level, alcohol is a hand grenade. So most drugs affect specific parts of your body, specific cells in your body. Alcohol affects every single cell in your body. It is the only drug that does it other than benzodiazepines. So, and benzodiazepines operate almost identical to alcohol. So a lot of people, when they're withdrawing from alcohol, they'll be given a benzodiazepine in order to mitigate withdrawal symptoms because it mimics it. So if you are taking a benzodiazepine for any reason, please do not drink at the same time. It'll complicate it. It'll can cause overdose or alcohol toxification. And that's it. If you have any questions, hit me up and I'll get back to you.